English Medium School. Myself Ankita Joshi. We have already learned the lesson, read the lesson, the plant fairy. Now I have told you that I will show the different types of leaves. Okay. Now in part 2 I have told you, in part 1 I have told you that in next part I will show you the different types of leaves. Okay. So children, I have bring the leaves for you to show you. Now say this leaf. This leaf is of Ashoka tree and it is long. I have told, we are saying that there are different types of leaves, there are different shapes, they have different colors. Now see this leaves, it's different. It is long leaf and its color also is light green. And it is called margins. Okay. Now this is money plant leaves. In that there are white patches on it. You see this leaf, it is small leaves, it is long leaf. There are white patches on it, the money plant leaves. Then saw-like leaf, this is saw-like leaf, neem tree. I bring this neem tree leaves for you. You see the margin of this? It's saw-like. Okay. Now this is basil leaf. We call it tulsi also. You have seen this leaf? Small leaf. You see the shapes of every leaf is different. The color is also different. Okay. Now this leaf, you see this tulsi leaf, basil, its leaf is small. Now the purple leaf I have told you. See, this is purple leaf and it is long leaf compared to other leaves. Okay. So you have seen that different types of leaves are here with different shapes and different colors. This is Mehndi bush which Michael had touched. So this is Michael had touched this leaf, Mehndi bush. You see, this leaf is very small. Okay. Now we move toward the next. Okay. I have shown you the different types of leaves to you. Okay. They have different shapes, colors, and size also. Now we will next to our lesson. Next we will go again back to our lesson. On the way back, Didi recited a poem for everyone. जब वो लोग सब वापस जा रहे थे, दीदी ने सबके लिए poem recited की. Now see which poem it is. About leaves. Just now we have seen the leaves, different types of. Okay. Now Didi recite the poem of leaves. Red, purple, and even yellow. Some green, wet, and loose. Leaves are of different kinds. कुछ leaves होते हैं red, purple also I have shown you the leaves. Even yellow leaves are there. Some leaves are green and wet, means गीले होते हैं, and some are loose. The leaves are of different kinds and of different shapes and shades. They have different shades also. Some are like the elephant ears. आपने देखा होगा कुछ leaves कैसे दिखते हैं, वो elephant ears की तरह दिखते हैं. And some are playful like the devil. और कुछ leaves होते हैं जो devil की तरह दिखते हैं, as a राक्षस. We call devil. Okay. So some are playful like the devil. Some are torn and some are folded. कुछ torn किए हुए होते हैं और कुछ folded होते हैं. And some even eaten like the beetle. और कुछ beetle की जो beetle खाते हैं वैसे दिखते हैं. Some even eaten like the beetle. And in the early dawn, darkest hue, you will find the flowers cry tears like dew. सुबह मॉर्निंग में बहुत डार्केस्ट ह्यू में मॉर्निंग में डार्केस्ट कलर होता है और उस पर ड्रॉप्स होते हैं. इट्स लाइक अ ड्यू. सब आर लाइक बटरफ्लाइज. कुछ लीव्स बटरफ्लाई की तरह दिखती है, कुछ बीज की तरह. एंड सम आर हैरी एंड सम आर प्लेन. कुछ पे हैरी ज़्यादा होते हैं, कुछ सम आर प्लेन. सम ड्राई अप टू लुक thorns and some even resemble cranes. Whoosh whoosh, scuttle and flutter. कुछ कैसे होते हैं लीव्स? स्कल्चर एंड फ्लटर में झुके हुए होते हैं और आवाज जैसे लहराते हैं. फ्लटर में लहराते हैं. लीव्स देखे होंगे आपने पेड़ पे जो स्कल्चर करते हैं, जो थोड़े झुके होते हैं, फ्लटर्स करते हैं. इन द ब्रीज दे ऑल चूट. ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे वो लोग एक दूसरे से धीरे से बातें कर रहे हो, वैसा लगते हैं लीव्स. ऑल डे लॉन्ग दे स्माइल एंड प्ले. वो लोग they look like they smile and play. All day long they smile and play. And in the night they sleep away. और रात को क्या करते हो? ऐसा लगता है जैसे सो गए हैं. And in the night they sleep away. Leaves are of different kinds. You have seen the leaves here over here. They all are of different kinds. सब different है. It looks like a bees. Okay, so all leaves are of different kinds and shapes and different hues and of different shades and hues. The colors are also they are different. Okay, now I hope this you understand. Now we will go to this. Color the leaves made around the poem. You have to color the leaves which are made around the poem in your book. Okay, in your textbook you just color these all leaves. And next, collect a few leaves of plants like lemon, mango, neem, basil, tulsi. I told you. Mint मतलब होता है पुदीना, and coriander, धनिया. Crush the leaves and smell them. When you crush the leaves and smell them, they have different smell also. किसी की smell same होती नहीं है. They all have different smell. Do they all smell like? No. Can you identify the leaves just by the smell? Yes, we can easily identify the leaves with their smell. Now see, the picture has made over here. Look at this beautiful pictures. They are made of dry leaves. Dry leaves जब leaves सूख जाते हैं, it's called dry. They have made a beautiful picture over here. See, in a book, in a textbook only, they have made it. Elephant, bird, rat. With the dry leaves, they have made the picture. Now, Didi taught everyone how to take rubbing prints. Didi ने सबको और कुछ और भी सिखाया है. Rubbing prints of leaves and tree trunks. All you have to do is, now see, rubbing leaves. Didi has teach to everyone. Take a paper and crayon of color pencil. You just take one paper and color of crayon color of here, or you can take pencil color also. Place the leaf on the table or on the ground. You place the leaf on table. Okay, it should be placed in such a way that the side of the leaf with veins is on the top. जो leaves की veins होती है ना वो ऊपर दिखनी चाहिए. On the top it should be there. Place the paper on the leaf. फिर उस leaf पे आप paper रख दो. Gently rub the crayons or color pencils on the paper. फिर उस पर आप कलर क्रेयॉन करोगे, you will see like this. Be careful that the paper or the leaf does not move. आपको ये क्या करना है कि पेपर और लीफ मूव होने चाहिए नहीं. जो gently मूव धीरे से मूव करोगे तो आपको beautiful picture you will see over here. आप लोग यहाँ पे देखोगे, okay? By rubbing it. Now see. Similarly, take rubbing of the trunk of the tree. See, like this. जो trunk होता है हमने बताया था आपको. Thick trunk is there also, and this thin trunk. Sorry. Now, like this, you put the paper on the trunk and rub like this with the crayon colors. You will find the impression over here. Look the rubbing. Sorry. Place the paper on the trunk and rub the crayons or color pencils on it. Look, you have made rubbing of the tree trunk. Like this, she is rubbing over here. Like this only you have to rub. Look at the rubbing made by the others. Are the rubbing of different plants similar? Which leaf gave a good rubbing? In case of which tree was the rubbing of trunk difficult? Banyan tree का rubbing करना difficult होगा हमारे लिए. Now look at the picture and name the things which have patterns of leaves and flower on them. Here you are seeing the picture of flower on them. On the painting, on the pant of girl, pillow, bed sheets, curtains, okay? All are there. Carpet. Now, I hope you have understood this lesson very well. Thank you.